So, Nezuko, are you happy to be on here? Zenitsu, why are you immediately asleep? Of course. I think it's one of the Hashiras. I'm gonna... Oh my god, of course he's dreaming from my own sister. Hi!
Hello there!
I'm Tanjiro.
I'm Rengoku.
You must be the Fire Hashira, if I'm correct.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's my sister Nezuko, she's a demon. There's Zenitsu, and there's Inosuke. That's the only mentality he has. Food.
I'm hungry, Kenpachi Kamabuko.
It's Tanjiro Kamado!
Yeah, Pachi Poo Papo.
Oh my god, this is normal for me.
No
But yes, we're basically the gist of it is our family's kind of dead. We got told to come here, and we figured we might be able to come to you to help us.
Alright, fine, I'll take you guys under my wing.
Sweet.
I gotta give a good
Just give me a moment. Let me wake up Zenitsu.
Zenitsu, wake up! Oh, God. I was gonna wake you up by punching him.
No,
what's going on,
Inosuke.
Tanjiro?
Well, Mr. Rengoku over here will help teach us.
Yay! Well, it's gonna be scary,
Alright.
Tanjiro.
You'll be fine.
Oh no!
Interesting friends you have there.
Well, it's what you expect. One basically is a scared wimp, and the other one isn't. He's just an
I'm
idiot.
not a wimp.
Yeah,
There's a
you
demon
are.
behind you.
Interesting.
I'm currently still in the process of trying to find a cure for my sister to turn back human, but that's been a process.
Zenitsu, look at me.
That's something.
Inosuke, why? Why are you so
Come back
Anywho.
to reality, your senses. What?
Something on the roof?
Maybe... I'll go check it out.
I hear
Alright.
something on the roof.
I guess I'll go with you.
Down here.
Oh, it's food delivery.
Does anyone know
It's a
him?
demon!
Think about food.
That smells like a demon.
Question my thoughts about food. That's it.
Wait, you said something?
Water breathing.
Yeah.
So why you guys in
So do you know him?
No, I don't.
Really?
I may not know.
Yes.
Me, but hi, Mr. Hashira. I'm Tanjiro.
How do you know? I've never met this person.
They're probably one of the smart ones.
Of course.
Especially that marker of yours.
A minute, Zenitsu.
Wait up.
Flame breathing.
Water breathing.
Inosuke, gotta get up here.
Water breathing. Second form.
That's how weird he is. Flame breathing, unknowing fire!
I'm gonna allow this. Water breathing. Intense form. Constant flux.
Water breathing, 8th form, fire dragon! Do it, come on! This is gonna be a long walk.
Mr. Rengoku, I'm gonna see if I can tap into this one breathing style I've been using lately.
Hurry up. say?
Damn!
Gotcha. What's going on here?
Nezuko, Inosuke, take care of the people that are down there, now!
We heard the commotion up here.
Just go down and make sure that you keep your people in the cart safe. Me and Mr. Rengoku will handle this.
Are you sure you can do this?
Yes. I'll split my own throat.
Hey, step out of it.
Fire wheel!
Flame breathing. First form.
I must get to the front of the train.
We can't allow that. Fire wheel.
Oh god.
Uh,
Flash tendrils.
Look out, Zenitsu! Watch out!
Don't dare hurt my sister.
Have to protect the passengers.
Hino Kamakagura.
Fine.
Fire wheel.
Flame breathing. Fire wheel! Set your heart ablaze! That's Get him off the train!
I'll go down the train right now.
Flame breathing. Fourth form! Fire push!
I got it.
Get on the train.
What the?
Brown.
Flame breathing! He's compromised controls. I'll see if I can get anything under control.
I'll go and get inside. I'll help the others.
I can't fix it! Brace yourselves!
Is everyone okay?
Zero! Inosuke, did you save me?
Nezuko, are you
I tried
okay?
to get you to wake up.
Inosuke, I'm so thankful!
I think I hurt my leg. And I'm bleeding from the forehead.
Tanjiro,
I
are you
I
okay?
see them.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Okay.
I see tempura everywhere.
Great job, young Kamado.
Let me help you up.
Huh?
Thanks.
Oh, he's still alive.
Tanjiro, can you please take care of that demon?
I'm already on it.
Protect
Okay,
them.
thank you!
We're relying on you to protect them, alright?
I will protect Nezuko with my life.
Hino Kamakagura. Blue sky!
Tanjiro did it! He's my savior!
Better than these plastic slants.
Tanjiro!
I may have hurt my leg during the crash.
Oh, you just stay there.
Thanks.
Rest.
So who exactly are those
Of course, my
demons?
useless I'm useless.
I couldn't tell
I
you.
only do good whenever
That one
I'm
seemed to know you
wiped
quite a
out.
lot.
I don't recognize him though.
Weird.
But I did have an interaction with Muzan himself back when before I came to the train to get to you.
Really?
Wasn't that before
Yes.
you met me?
Yes, it was a little before I met you.
Oh, well, I'm glad I wasn't with you there, because I probably would have crapped my pants.
Well, that's just you, Zenitsu.
Oh, that's stinky.
Ah,
God, we can only
Hey,
imagine.
Nosuke, you live in the mountains.
At least I don't poop myself. At least I wipe my pants.
You leave your own feces on the ground.
So where exactly are we now?
No.
I
You're
don't know, but
lying.
it's dark out. That means we probably should be
Ah!
careful.
Hello there. You guys doing?
Who are you?
But you don't know who I am? That's a bit surprising. Don't you see the eyes?
I know, you're
It's
a
another
demon.
moon.
Rengoku Kikuto.
Oh,
Flame Hashira.
Oh god, not again.
God.
The name is Akaza. Upper rank 3.
An upper rank.
And I like to say this now, my fight isn't with
What are you doing?
any of your players, but with Kyujiro here. So I suggest you move out the way before I slaughter you.
Ah! Flame breathing, second form! Flame breathing, fire wheel! Stay back and protect everyone else. My fight is with him.
Understood, Mr. Rengoku. Everyone, back with me.
So did your other demon friend use this train as a plan to lure us out? Flame breathing. 7 form! Fire push!
Destructive compass needle. Explosive fury. Crown
Flame breathing. 3rd form!
compass needle. Annihilation
All you demons are pure evil.
Are we gonna do this and become a demon, please, Kyujiro? We can fight for all of eternity. Don't you see it? Come on, join us. You can at least be upper rank 6.
I'd rather die than become a demon. My goal is to kill all of you, not join you.
Oh, you slayers are the same. Please, Kyujiro, join me. Me and you can fight for eternity.
I am nothing like you.
We are similar.
I think I'm gonna have to pass on it. I'm not becoming a demon anytime soon.
Compass needle. Annihilation type.
Have it your way.
Disorder.
Flame breathing. 1st form!
See what my demons can do?
Yes. I've faced worse. But maybe this is the worst.
about that blasted eye of yours. Yuzuru, come on. Your strongest attack against mine.
Fine. Flame breathing. 8th form!
Flaming tire?
Flame breathing! 9th form! Rengoku!
Come on. Demon Kyujo, please. You got so much to live for.
I will never become one of you. Don't worry about me, young ones.
Mr. Rengoku!
Don't worry about me, young ones. Focus on him.
No, let's get Zetsu.
Mr. Rengoku,
Well, that's...
can you stabilize your... Can you use your breathing to heal yourself or something?
Not really. That's more for the flower core. I think my time's running out, kid. Sorry.
No, Mr. Rengoku!
He was
No.
powerful. Just what exactly is he, huh?
He just said he was an upper rank 3.
That's new. Wasn't the other one an upper rank?
No. It didn't seem like an upper rank.
Judging by his eyes, he was a lower rank.
Yeah.
Judging by the number, it was lower rank 1.
Wait, Nezuko, can't your blood demon art heal? Help!
Fine.
It won't hurt though.
No, that stings.
Let's help you up, Mr. Rengoku. Well, I lost all my sword. I threw it into him.
Oh, that was impressive, Tanjiro.
Thanks. So you might be able to help me
Mr.
understand
Rengoku?
this.
I'm gonna be fine. I think I'm just gonna need a long rest after that. That was the worst demon I've arguably faced.
Mr. Rengoku, I have a question.
What is
Since
it?
you use flame breathing, you might be able to help me understand how to use Himokamakagra. It's been a breathing style I've recently been able to use.
Alright.
Water breathing, it comes to me naturally, but unlike water breathing.
Alright, I'll keep it in mind.
Thank you, Mr. Rengoku.
Let's go home
Then let's
now.
get out of here.
Yeah,
We don't want to be at the side of whoever's going to be responsible for this.
More of those
Yeah.
Very
ugly
much.
girls come around.
Hopefully not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's been like a while since I've uploaded and whatnot, but I've been busy with a lot of things, like family, school, among other things, and I've been planning other videos. I'm gonna be trying to do more like weekly videos now, so yeah, I'm also gonna be doing like not as many like Sonic X blah 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 or like this X blah 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 blah. I'm mainly gonna be focusing on like Demon Slayer and like other anime strictly for a bit, so yeah, hope to see you soon.